Add a new key profile or adjust existing key profile. Outdoor mobile use, work in van by 24V power inverter and mounting fit set. All key lost. Directly cut a key by code. Search lock manufacturer or car manufacturer. Model. Year or key blank. IC card. Silca card or advanced search to enter key data. More functions like favorites. Cutting history. Data export and import. Progression. Decode by camera etc. are available in Alpha Pro. Cutting depth. Layered cutting. Cutting speed. Cutter size. Cleanup cut can be adjustable, more flexible for usage. 13 different languages in Alpha Pro for your option, including English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Czech, Turkish, Russian, Polish etc. At least 4 times database upgrade per year, 2-year warranty and lifelong free technical support. Equipped LED trim light. 2 tool boxes. Shaving prevention.